Here is the Genron Vehicle factory in Jiangxi province. This factory mainly consists of 4 workshops. The first workshop is for materials preparation. The second workshop is for production for welding. This machine is for chassis welding, making welding. After finishing the welding of trailer bodies, the sailors will come here. It's a workshop for trailer painting. Genron Vehicle factory. When the trailers come here, the assembly area to install the spare parts, such as support lift, air tank, toolbox, rim and tire. This is plate cutting machine. This is bending machine. This is plate rolling machine for single tank trailer products. This is plasma cutting machine. This is the plate assembly machine. This is plate turnover machine.
We are in Shandong province.
We are in Jiangxi province. Waiting for you.